Good morning, primary 4. Today we will complete the fractions. We will start to add and subtract fraction. How we add and subtract fraction? At first, if we have fraction with a same denominators, how we add or subtract them? Just put the denominator as it is and subtract or add the numerator. Okay? The first fraction, 1/5 plus 2/5. Just put the 5 as it is and just add 1 plus 2, it will be 3. 3 over 5. Next, 6 over 11 and 3 over 11. Just put 11 and add 6 plus 3. It will be 9. Next, 2 over 7 plus 4 over 7. It will be 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 over 7. 7 over 9 plus 1 over 9. Just add 7 plus 1, it will be 8. It will be 8 over 9. Now, 7 over 9 minus 5 over 9. Just put 9 as it is, and 7 minus 5, it will be 2. 5 over 11 minus 3 over 11. It will be 2 over 11. 1 minus 4 over 7. How we do this? We said before, 1 is a fraction, its numerator equal its denominator. What is the numerator and the denominator? Use the other denominator, 4 over 7. So we'll use the 7 and form a fraction. So it will be 7 over 7. 1 equal 7 over 7. Just subtract 7 minus 4, it will be 3 over 7. 4 over next equation, 7 over 5 minus 1 over 5 equal, just subtract 4 minus 1, it will be 3 over 5. Okay, now, if we want to add or subtract a fraction which has different denominators, but these denominators divisible by each other, as 5 over 9 plus 1 over 3, 3 is divisible by 9. Can we make 3 as like 9? Yes. We want to make it bigger, so multiply it. 3 times what equal 9? 3 times 3. So, to make this addition, we must make the denominator the same. How we make 3 equal 9? Multiply both numerator and the denominator by 3. 1 times 3 equals 3, and 3 times 3 equals 9. So the new fraction, it will be 3 over 9. Now we will add and subtract as we said before. 5 plus 3, it will be 8 over 9. So if we want to add or subtract any fraction, we must make its denominator the same. Okay? Now, 9 over 10 minus 3 over 5. We must make them, the denominator, same. How? 5. How we make 5? 10. Multiply it by, excellent, 2. So, 3 times 2 equals 6, and 5 times 2 equals 10. The new fraction, 6 over 10, subtract them. 9 minus 6 equals 3 over 10. Okay, 3 and half plus 2 and quarter. Look to the denominator. Can we make 2 4? Yes. How? Multiply it by 2. Go to the smaller denominator and see if we can make it like the bigger or not. Is it divisible by the bigger or not? Okay? Yes, we can make 2 like 4 by multiply it by 2. 2 times 1 equals 2, and 2 times 2 equals 4. Put the whole as it is. Don't forget the whole. Okay? And write the new fraction, 2 over 4. Now, add it by 2 and quarter. The whole with the whole, 2 plus 3 equals 5. And write the denominator as it is 4, and add the numerator, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Last one, 8 minus 2 over 3. How we do this? we will take 1 from the whole and build a new fraction. We will take 1 from the 8 and make a new fraction. We will use the 3, the other denominator, okay? So, we will take 1 from 8. So, 8 it will be 7. And we will build a new fraction, which is this one. We will build by it a fraction. And we know that 1, the fraction in numerator, equal its denominator. So, 8, it will be 7 and 3 over 3. We will take 1 from the whole and build a fraction by the other denominator, okay? Minus 2 over 3. 7 minus nothing, it will be 7, and 3 as it is, the denominator as it is, and then 3 minus 2, it will be 1, okay? This is adding or subtracting a fraction with a different denominator, but the denominator are divisible by each other. But if isn't divisible, as 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4, go to the smaller denominator, which is 3. Can we make 3 4? No, we can't. So, what I can do? We'll make Papian, okay, for the fraction. How we do this? We will multiply 3 by 4 and make both the fraction. We will make a new fraction for them. 3 times 4 equal 12. We will write 12 in a new fractions, 2 fractions, okay? Then make cross multiplication. 4 times 2 equals 8. Write it in the first fraction. 3 times 1 equals 3. Write it in the second fraction. Okay? Now we have a new fractions that has same denominators. Okay? Now we will add it as we usual. 8 plus 3 equals 11 over 12. Okay? So, if we have different denominator but not divisible by each other, just make a Papian. Multiply the denominator and put the result in the denominators, the new denominators, and then multiply, make the cross multiplication. Okay? Next, 4 over 7 minus 1 over 3. 3 divisible by 7? No, because 7 and 3, they are prime numbers. Okay, what I must do? Just multiply 3 by 7. It will be 21. Make a new fractions. Its numerator 21. Sorry, denominator 21. Now, 3 times 4, 12. And 1 times 7, 7. Subtract. 12 minus 7, it will be 5 over 21. Okay? Now we have an exercise, next slide, from your book, page 8. Find the result in the simplest form. If we have 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. First, go to the smaller denominator, which is 3. 3 can be 4? No, it can't. So, multiply 3 by 4 and form a new fractions. It will be 12. Now, 4 times 2, 8. Write it in the first fraction, in the numerator of the first fraction. 3 times 3 equals 9. Write it in the numerator of the second fraction. Now add, because the denominator now are the same. 8 plus 9, it will be 17 over 12. This is an improper fraction. We can leave it like that because he asked about the simplest form. To make, we said before, what is the simplest form? The proper. So, we must convert this improper into mixed. How we convert into mixed? Go to the denominator and ask it, 12 times what equals 17? There is no. Go back, till reach to 12. Now, what times 12 equal 12? 1 times 12 equal 12. And the 12 as it is in the denominator. We go back 5 steps. So it will be 1 and 5 over 12. Next question. 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3. 3 can be 6? Yes, it can. So we will leave the fraction which has the greatest denominator as it is, 5 over 6. And we'll convert the other fraction into 6. How we convert 3 into 6? By multiply it by 2. Multiply both numerator and the denominator. 1 times 2 equals 2 and 2 times 3 equals 6. So now subtract 5 minus 2 equal 3 and 6 as it is. This is proper fraction, but we can simplify it more. This is not a simplest form. We must make simplest than that, because 3 divisible by 6. Okay? So 3 over 6 equals half. Now the last question. 1 and 4 over 7 minus 10 over 21. Now, 7 can be, go to the smaller denominator, 7 can be like 21? Yes, by multiply it by 3. Put the whole as it is, don't touch it. 4 times 3 equals 12, and 3 times 7 equals 21. Subtract it from, minus, 20 over 21, 10 over 21. Now, 1 minus nothing equals 1. 12 minus 10 equals 2. And put 21 as it is. So the result will be 1 and 2 over 21. This is for today. Thank you for listening to me. See you next time. Bye.